a lot of people like to ask, if we could peer into a crystal ball, in a time characterized by uncertainty and change, what do you think, if we look forward to 2030, what do you think the producer, whether it be refiner or petchem producer, what will it look like, the plant? What are the big ticket items that you feel that the industry will invest in the coming decade? Or is it, with the current context, is it difficult to actually pinpoint where that investment will be made?
It's certainly difficult, your question, but I can give my view, of course. I think, first of all, I think refiner has a unique advantage or experience, which is to process feedstock with a lot of complex molecules in it. So I think that's building on its capabilities, this capability that we should think as a refinery evolving in the form of a cluster, more and more integrated with bio, with recycling, with chemicals, with CO2 capture. So I see the refinery evolve of the future, let's say, or 2030, maybe it's 2030 plus, let's say, as a cluster having integration with chemicals, including recycling capabilities, so main chemicals and polymers, with CO2 capture, with blue and then green hydrogen, and I should have started with that energy, a lot of effort on energy efficiency to be the maximum of integration they can bring. So the energy efficiency, biofuels, circularity, blue and green hydrogen, I think are the features that are going, at least in my view, to drive the evolution of some of the features are going to drive the evolution of refineries. And this will require a lot of efforts, a lot of investment. So I think that's why I insisted a lot at the beginning of our talk about efficiency, cost driving, because to convert, you have to survive, and you have to operate to save your cash, to stay cash positive. And that's where operating at your optimum process capability, I think, is very important, using digital, saving your catalyst, managing your pool the best you can. So I think that's very important for the short term, because this transformation will require effort. I think it's an industry effort. I mean, it's like we are doing ourselves. I don't think one single company would be fast enough in developing all these solutions. And we need to join forces. That's what we're doing. That's what others are doing. We need to join forces. And if we do that, we will be able to reach that goal. And we will be offering, as I said, in the coming weeks, months, years, new technologies. Then after each solution would be site specific, and certainly we can help operators in studying what is the best for their site in that journey. But I want also to conclude with a word of trust and hope. I think our industry has a lot of capabilities, which is to convert feedstock, complex feedstock. No other industry has such large scale capabilities, and I think that's a decisive advantage.
Yeah, I think we're going to be looking at some interesting times ahead, challenges, but I'm fully confident, as you say, our industry is resilient. It's shown in the past that it's quick to adapt through innovation. I think we have the know-how, we have the skills in the industry, and like you say, I think we'll see more companies coming together to try and solve these problems and find solutions for going on the next 10, 20, 30 years. So I think it's going to be interesting to see how, it's an interesting journey, I'd like to say.